Let's line dance. Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You guessed it. Yes, I am back to teach you another line dance. Guys, y'all never believe this. I went to research this dance on YouTube. It's 17 years old. So that means they've been doing the dance longer than that. It's a classic. It's called the Baltimore, aka the NJ Strut. The Baltimore, aka the NJ Strut. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. But before I do, I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. I appreciate y'all guys so much. Thank you. If you're watching for the very first time, you like the content, why don't you think about subscribing? All right? If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. You want to dance along to the music? Watch till the end, okay? So I'm going to do it to the original song. There is another, I think the Shark Girl is doing the same dance, but she changed the music. But it doesn't matter. The dance, 17 years old plus, this is classic. Guys, I am personally inviting you to a 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Registration and book your room at our website, www.lmiunola.com. It has sold out 4 previous times. We're celebrating our 10-year anniversary. It's going to sell out this time. So I'm just letting y'all guys know. Make sure you get in and I'll see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. So let's go, guys. So this dance is going to move clockwise. Clockwise. So let's start on this wall because we're going to be moving in this direction. Okay? So it starts with a double tap on the right and double tap on the left. It's double, double, and then single, 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 single. Okay? Real simple. 5, 6, 7, and double right, double left, single, single, then kick, kick. So we take that movement from the side, then we go forward, okay, with a single kick, right, left. Starting over again, double tap. 5, 6, 7, double right. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we're going to do a knee up. Knee, knee. Adding that knee. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Double right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Single. 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee, knee, down, up. So I added something, right? So I did knee, knee, down, up. 1, 2, down, 3, 4. 5, 6, from the top. Double 1 and 2, 6, 3 and 4. Single. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4. Then we go to the right. Double, double. Double right, double left. So far, what we do on the right, we do on the left, okay? Right, right, left, left. So we went knee, knee, down, up, right, right, left, left. Let's add that. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guess what? There's nothing new in this dance. If you've been line dancing already, you already know these steps, okay? For the new people, instructors, you can easily call this out, okay? Well, while keeping the class moving, just call out the steps. Again, double right, double left. 5, 6, 7, double, double. Give me a single right, left, kick it forward. Right, left, knee up, right, left. Dip down, 2 to the right, 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 left, left. Okay, now, this might be a new step for you. So we're going to do kick, step, turn, step. Kick, ball, chain, twist, step. Kick, ball, chain, twist, step. Kick, ball, chain, quick, step. Kick, step. So we're doing that 3 times. So kick, step, twist, and bring it back. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Kick, ball, change, fan, step. Kick, ball, change, fan, turn, and step. Okay, so we do that 3 times. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. You guessed it. We're gonna turn on the 4th. Kick, step, right, left. So we're not gonna fake on that one. We're not gonna turn. We're gonna kick, step, right, left. So when you step on that left, make that quarter turn to your right. Kick, step, kick and step, right, left. Step forward. Kick and step, right, left. So that's 5 and 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you're ready to start on your right. So let's put that together with the kick, step, and fake turn. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Let me tell you something. The key to this step is moving your weight to the front, not to the back. Okay? Whenever you're doing a twisting, whenever you're doing turning, twisting, even when you're making a half turn, even when you pivot, all those steps, whether it be a fan, whether it be a triple step, a quarter step, any turn you do, you bring the weight to the front. So that means your heels got to be up. Transfer that weight forward. 1 and 2, 3, 4. I'm exaggerating. I'm kind of coming up on my toes. But I'm letting you know I'm exaggerating the step so you can see where my weight is. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And it's not only the front, it's the back too. The weight goes to the front. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. The dance starts over. Okay? So keep that in mind. So that's better than 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's all that weight. Okay? That's all the weight where you're not using the joint action to do the movement. Okay? You're using your weight. When your heel come forward, you're helping the joints in your ankle, your knee, and your hip to make that movement. Okay? So that's why the weight goes forward, all right? So keep that in mind whenever you make any type of turn. Shift that weight forward. I always tell my class, whenever Serena couldn't get to the ball, that means her weight was to the back, okay? And it took her longer to get to the ball. If she was going to move side to side or forward, bring that weight forward. Okay? Now, let's do it from this wall. All right? Here we go. From the top, double. 5, 6, 7, double. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, single. 5, 6, kick, 7, knee up. 1 and 2, dip, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and double. All right? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Y'all be having too much fun. Too much fun. That is the Baltimore, aka the NJ Strut. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you there. We're celebrating 10 years, guys. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. All the details is right there on our website, www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.